Nutraceutical Research Sciences in Tempe, Arizona relies on a Munson Rotary Batch Mixer to produce its range of nutritional supplements, meal replacements, and vitamins. The mixer's inlet and outlet remain stationary while the drum rotates, allowing hard piping to a pneumatic conveying system with a pickup wand to load ingredients that are then discharged through a cyclone separator at the mixer's inlet. Internal mixing flights provide a gentle four-way tumble, cut, turn, and fold action that yields uniform blends without product degradation. Liquid additions are introduced through internal spray bars that disperse aqueous and oil-based liquids evenly onto a moving bed of material with no wet spots or clumping, providing full control over how each product is processed. A dehumidification line removes moisture from the vessel between batches containing liquid additions. Continuous drum rotation during discharge prevents segregation, while complete evacuation eliminates wasted product and minimizes cleaning time during changeovers. See Munson's full line of mixing and blending machinery and size reduction equipment at munsonmachinery.com.